Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a computer screen on Windows 11 so you can save the images to use for work as well as share and save the moments of the computer screen. There are many ways to take a computer screen, but I'm going to introduce and guide you to two quick and easy ways to use a computer screenshot. Windows Snipping Tool. Way 1. From your computer keyboard, this way you only take a full screen. You just press the Windows plus key combination with the prtSc button on your PC keyboard, and then your computer screen has been captured again. To see the image you were taking, open the archive folder and go into the pictures section. Your computer screenshot will be saved in the screenshots section, which you can view, edit, and share. Method 2. You use the Snipping Tool of Windows. You enter the Snipping Tool in the search box of Windows, you show up the application you click. You can also quickly open the Snipping Tool with the combination of keys Windows plus Shift plus S, the Snip Tool interface window appears. In this window, the new option is for you to choose to take a new image. In the third option, adjust the time to snip the shot. It's up to you to choose the time. In the second box, there are options for you to take a screenshot. Rectangle mode is a picture of a rectangle of your choice. Windows mode is an image of a window. Full screen mode is the same as a keyboard snapshot. The free form mode is a selection of the area you choose. First, we will select rectangle mode. You choose new to start shooting, then we will take a rectangle of your choice. You hold the left mouse ring to drag the right rectangle and drop the mouse. After you have taken it, you can make notes, basically edit the image you just took with the Applications tool, to save the image back to your triangle, and then select Save. It opens the folder window you want to store, and you save to the folder you wish to save. Name or leave the default, then press Save to save. If you want to change the shots, you have to reselect in the second box. Next, the Windows mode is to shoot a window. If you choose the Windows mode, we will open the Google window to take a separate shot of that window. You choose new to start shooting, which window you want to shoot, move the mouse into that window, we'll shoot a Google window, have a boundary around it, then click the left mouse, so the image has been taken. To save the image, you do the same as in the shot above. Third, the full screen mode is a full screen snapshot of your computer. It's like a screenshot, as I described above. If you choose full screen mode and then choose new, the computer screen has been captured. To resave the image is the same as the previous ones. Fourth, freeform mode, that's your mouse pointer cutting. I'm going to text. You choose freeform mode and choose new. I'm going to cut the Google icon. You're going to hold the left mouse button and drag the range you want to take, you'll get the picture, and you'll drop the mouse. After the shot, you will see the image you selected. To save, do the same as taking a rectangle. To view the image that saved you to the archive folder that you created and opened, there are images that you have saved so that you can share them as well as help with your work. So I've taught you how to take a screenshot of your computer in just a few simple steps. If you see it, subscribe to a YouTube channel and share it so everyone knows. Hello, and see you again.